Hi, I'm Shreya. Welcome to Purple Seashells. Hi, I'm Suyen. Today we'll be making easy homemade Play-Doh. You'll need conditioner and cornstarch. So let's get started. After you add the cornstarch, put the conditioner. Do a little by little. Mix it. If it's too wet, add more cornstarch. If it's too dry, add more conditioner. Like mine's really dry right now, so I'm gonna add in some more conditioner. Add in the food coloring. Do 2 drops of food coloring. If that's not enough, add 1 more drop. It is soft enough and our dough is ready. Whoa. It's a little stretchy, right? Yeah, let me stretch it. It's stretchy. Let's switch. I hope you try this fun recipe for Play-Doh. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Bye! Thank you! Please subscribe to Purple Seashells.